In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a subset in a Venn diagram. So, as you can see, the topic of today is drawing a subset in a Venn diagram. So, before we go into details of the topic of today, let's define what a subset is. I know we defined in the previous lesson, but let's define again so that we can be aware of the definition and also able to understand what you are doing. So, the definition of a subset is a set containing all members that are found in another set. A subset is a set containing all members that are found in another set. The other definition is it's a set in another set, or it's a set in another set. So basically, these are the two definitions of a subset. Okay, we come to, so in today's lesson, we are going to use the second definition, which says it's a set in another set. When you are drawing today, we are going to use this definition. Basically, what I'm trying to say is the working out will really resonate with the second definition. Even though the second definition means the same as the first definition, but really in our doing, it will be like we are trying to define the second definition. Okay, let's go to the example of today. So the instruction for our example is draw the Venn diagram showing the subset of the given sets. Draw the Venn diagram showing the subset of the given sets. So number one, let's go to number one. We are saying set A equals, or set A has members 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B has 2, 4. These are the two sets we want to draw. So before we draw anything, first of all, we need to identify which one is a subset between these two sets. So we are saying, is one in set A? Yes. But in set B? No. Is 2 in set A? Yes. In set B? Yes. So it is in both. So we are going to underline the two numbers, 2 in set A and 2 in set B. Now we come to 3. Is 3 in set A? Yes. In set B? No. So we're not going to underline it. Then let's go to 4. Is 4 in set A? Yes. In set B? Yes. So we're going to underline 4 in set A and in set B. So now we have realized that all the members in set B are in set A. All of them are in set A. So therefore we can say set B is a subset of set A. Set B is a subset of set A. So what do we do? Let's, first of all, what we need to do, we need to agree with ourselves. Which set are we going to start to draw first? So I encourage everyone to start with the subset. So let's start with a subset. I won't explain much on the logic you have to use, but when you observe, you will understand. So we're going to say the subset definitely should be smaller. So we are going to write the circle. We are going to draw the circle there. After I draw the circle, we'll name it set B. Then afterwards, we are going to write the members of set B inside the circle. So we have the member which is 2 and 4. These are the two members which are in set B. Thereafter, we are going to draw set A. So we'll draw set A. So when we are drawing set A, we need to put set B inside the circle of set A. So then we are going to name it set A. Afterwards, what we're going to do is, outside the set B, in the set A circle, we are going to write the numbers that are not underlined in set A. And these numbers are 1 and 3. Now, here we are saying set A has members 1, 2, 3, 4. Because these two members we wrote, 2 and 4, they also belong to set A. That's why they are inside set A. So this is how we draw the subset in a Venn diagram. Now this one shows that set B is a subset of set A. Okay, let me illustrate more with the second example. So the second example is second example is set P equals A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Or set P has members A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Set Q has members A, C, E. These are the three members of set Q. So, according to the instruction, we are asked to write the Venn diagram showing the subset of the given set. So, we are going to draw the circle, but remember, we shouldn't skip this step. Before we draw the circle, despite that I've drawn, but we also need to identify first which one is the subset between these two sets. So we are saying, is A found in set P? Yes. In set Q? Yes. So we're going to underline A, and you underline A. Is B found in set Q? In set P? Yes. In set Q? No. So we're not going to underline it. Is C found in set P? Yes. In set Q? Yes. So we're going to underline C in both sets. Is D found in set P? Yes. In set Q? No. So we are not going to underline D. Is E found in set P? Yes. In set Q? Yes. So we're going to underline E in both sets. So now, after I've underlined, now let's check. We have found that the members in set Q have been all underlined, so there is no member which is remaining. So this means that set Q is a subset of set P. Set Q is a subset of set P. Therefore, we can now label this circle. Now, you see, if you do not check out first, it will be very difficult to name even sets to identify which one is a subset. Now, since now we have checked out, it's easier for us to identify which one is a subset. So this small circle which I've drawn here, it's going to be called set Q, because Q is a subset. But if you are good like I'm able to identify a subset without even underlying. So don't get bothered. At one point of time, I didn't know what to do. After some few practices, I learned what is supposed to be done, and I mastered it. Sometimes I don't even need to underline. So even you can reach that point as long as you practice more. Okay, so now we have written set Q. So we are going to write or record the members of set Q inside the circle. So we're going to say the members are A, C, E. So these are the three members of set Q. Okay. Now we are supposed now to draw now the circle for set P. So let's draw the circle for set P. Yeah. So it will be big and the set Q will be inside. After that, now let's identify those members that are not underlined. So in set P, before we identify, let's see, name the set. So this is set P. So we say set P has how many, which member belong to set P? We are saying B, D, F, G. So these, they belong to set P. Okay. In this way, we have drawn the subset of the given sets. We have drawn the Venn diagram correctly, and it's just a matter of marking. So this is how you draw the sets that involves subsets. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more educative videos. We are here to offer you free education and give you an opportunity to learn at your pace, at your own pace, and at your free time. Thank you so much.